Meanwhile, the Delhi Environment Minister Majinder Singh Sirsa has welcomed the Supreme Court order allowing use of green crackers this festive season, and has said that if the weather conditions are favourable, the government will conduct cloud seeding as well. What is cloud seeding? It's effectively, or a simpler way to understand that, is artificial rain in the coming 2 to 3 days. This comes a day after the air pollution body actually enforced curbs under the phase 1 of graded response action plan as the air quality index crossed 200 mark in the national capital.
हमारे पास सारी रिक्वेस्टेड परमिशंस, हमारे पायलट्स की ट्रेनिंग भी हो गई। ट्रेनिंग के लिए जो सेस्ना जहाज था उससे फिमिलर होने के लिए, क्योंकि उसके साथ एक रेट्रोफिटमेंट लगाई गई हैं, उस फिटमेंट के चलते उसमें से जो स्प्रेइंग होगी, जो ब्लास्ट किए जाएंगे, उस ब्लास्ट के माध्यम से स्प्रे होगी। तो वो जिस जगह पे ट्रायल होनी है उसके ऊपर इस प्लेन के दोनों पायलट्स ने एक ट्रायल भी करी है। इस ट्रायल में उन्होंने उस एरिया से फेमिलियर हुए हैं, उस एरिया से अपने आप को पहचान कराया है जहां पे ये ट्रायल कंक्लूड होनी है, और इस प्लेन से अपने आप को अवगत कराया है।
All right, my colleague Sneha now joins us for more on this. Sneha, what kind of evidence do we have in trying to understand whether or not cloud seeding actually works, and especially to come right in this time of the year when pollution baseline levels are already high, only to make matters worse, now crackers have also been allowed?
That's right. No, Sonal, very little evidence that it is extremely effective in bringing down pollution. For a couple of hours, it can clear the air just like the way rain does, natural rain does. Also, the situation really for cloud seeding has to be such that the cloud have to have enough moisture in it for the required seeding. So that's a challenge as well. It does not remove the root cause of pollution. In that sense, I would say it's a stopgap sort of an arrangement, a band-aid sort of a solution to a problem which requires a long-term strategy, as you know, Sonal. At the end of the day, cloud seeding would, of course, settle the dust particles for a few hours, but it cannot effectively deal with the source of pollution, and the pollution will be right back. Also, like I said, it can be, in fact, settling the dust and the PM 2.5 and PM 10 particles for just a few hours. So in that sense, an extremely expensive procedure, really a banded solution to what requires a detailed surgery and a detailed treatment is what I would say. Evidence, of course, gives enough indication that it is used in not just in Delhi, but it can be used in many other countries like China and Beijing. It's been used, of course, to deal with pollution, but it is only to give very temporary relief. By and large, we are bracing for pollution months, and we've already seen the AQI level worsen to 157 this today by itself. Is not a very clean air day in that sense. But like I said, it isn't a long-term solution.
All right. Thank you so much, Sneha, there, putting it out clearly. The Band-Aid solution doesn't provide long-term answers over there.